Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Brian Still here with your Sunday evening weather update on WKBN.com. One thing I wanted to take a look at is the beautiful sunset that we have coming over East Liverpool right now across the Ohio River. The sight outside is a much welcome sign compared to the gloom and rain that some places saw and the winds today. This is a nice change, and the good news is conditions like these are actually going to be sticking around for a while as well. Taking a look right now on Storm Team 27 Viper radar, two things that we're watching leaving the valley right now are both the cloud cover that's starting to go away, and also the rain showers. I know a lot of areas in Trumbull County saw a lot of rain showers throughout the day, a couple of spots here in Columbiana County as well. Mercer County, they're still pushing their way out right now, but those rain showers will be leaving us here within the next few hours, and there's absolutely nothing that we're tracking as far as rain behind this system as well. So things will be looking to get a lot better here in the next couple of days. Current temperatures right now reporting out of the airport in Youngstown, we're at 50 degrees here around the 7 o'clock hour. Dew point is still sitting at 43, so it's still relatively comfortable. Winds are still coming out at about 9 miles an hour, so it's still a little bit breezy outside at the moment. So just be prepared if you step out. Make sure you don't have any hats or anything like that blown away. Across the valley right now, Lisbon, you're at 53 degrees, 51 in East Palestine, 51 up in Cortland. Warmer out towards the west of the valley and cooler, 49 in Mercer, 48 in Stormborough. The further west we go into, further east we go into western Pennsylvania. One of the big temperature differences that we had, all areas points to the east had to deal with all the cloud cover like what we had earlier today. That's why they have a lot cooler temperatures than what we had out to our west, and that's because out west they didn't have any of the cloud cover, so the sun was able to heat up things a lot easier. And so one thing that we're going to be talking about is how we're going to have a pretty breezy Monday, and how part of that breezy Monday is going to go into a small warm-up that we're going to have later this week. And we're also going to show you a little bit about a midweek weather maker that's going to be coming up as well. One thing that is interesting is we're watching as the valley is going to be coming up underneath this giant ridge that's going to be coming across all the way up towards Michigan. Still going to be bringing those north winds, so over the next couple of days it's not going to be as warm. Winds are really going to be picking up around the noon hour, lunchtime hour tomorrow. Some places may see up to 15, maybe 20 miles an hour. By the time we get to overnight Tuesday, we're going to be underneath that ridge, and so we're going to be pulling up a lot of that warmer air from the Gulf of Mexico into our area. So Tuesday and Wednesday look like they're going to be quite pleasant days. Tuesday evening, we can start to see we're on the tail edge of that ridge, and behind that, that's going to be that cold front that's going to be bringing a lot of moisture around to the valley. Once that cold front comes through Thursday, we'll see another temperature drop like what we had this last weekend. So it's almost like a wash, rinse, and repeat as far as this fall cycle goes. Looking hour by hour on Future Tracker going over to the overnight hours, we still can't rule out the chance of a couple of spotty showers here or there across the valley. Nothing really too much that we need to be concerned about as far as rainfall goes. It's not going to be that much of a bother. But by the time we wake up tomorrow, skies will be clearing generally across the area, maybe a few more clouds up towards Mercer County. But again, those will be clearing out here shortly as well as those winds begin to pick up, as well as that ridge begins to move its way from west to east across our area. By the time we get through Monday through Tuesday, temperatures will drop again a lot easier because there won't be as much cloud cover. One thing I just want to point out, I don't think it's going to get that cold. The model has it running warmer. I'm expecting generally by the time we get into early Tuesday morning, we're still going to be in the 40s going through the rest of the week. So tonight, though, we'll be dropping down to about 43 degrees. With those decreasing clouds, and the winds will be calming down. Tomorrow we'll make it up to about 57, and again, it is going to be breezy, just like it was today, almost like a wash, rinse, repeat. And then going into the next couple of days, Tuesday and Wednesday are looking to be quite pleasant. Thursday is when that front comes through, and it's going to be dropping temperatures going into the weekend. Friday and Saturday, it's going to be a similar setup to what we had this weekend. Those spotty showers mainly coming off of Lake Erie, and then by the time we get to Sunday, things are going to start to cool down again and settle down again.